I'm going to try using jumbo crayons and see if that's going to make it any better. Hello, welcome back to Unspoken Wordz. If you're new here, welcome to my channel where we're all about making the natural hair community a community and helping you to love yourself in your hair. So in today's video, we're going to do something a little bit different. I feel like I say that in every video, but you know, we're always gotta spice up. So it's Christmas Eve. It's 24th of December 2020. If you don't believe me, 24th right there. Can't really, it's a bit, you know, Christmas is tomorrow, so I thought this video would be perfect. something to do. So basically what's gonna happen is I was watching a YouTuber, Viv HairTherapy. I can't remember her name. I'll put it on here. And what she was doing is she was trying a DIY hair paint wax, you know. And what I wanted to do was actually buy like the normal proper hair paint wax to do this particular video, but since it got cancelled for whatever reason, I decided let me just DIY it instead. So that's what I did, and we are going to try this. So what I plan to do, if the pigment is good enough, is I plan to make this style, basically candy cane style on my hair. Yes, it's gonna be very interesting. So I tried different ones. I have like 6 pots right here. This particular one I tried with food coloring because I thought, okay, maybe it'll work, but it didn't. All the coloring went to the bottom. It was mixed when it was melted, but then obviously separated. I didn't even use food coloring, I used gel, but yeah, that didn't really work out. But everything else did. So I've got the whites. Hopefully this turns white. I have the red. I don't know why I'm finding this so funny. I have the deeper red, and I have used a little bit of it because I wanted to try it on my hair and see if it's actually going to work, and it did kind of, but I'll use a tiny bit, so we'll see if it actually does. I mixed red and peach in this one and it gave me this color. Don't know if it's going to be able to actually go on my hair. I have pink because, yeah. So I was very because some of them are red, some of them are pink. This one looks very red on camera, but there's like the white part is quite pink. I think just because of the way they mixed it. So I wasn't entirely sure how to apply it to my hair, because what I originally thought to do was to like divide it in rows, in small rows, so that it kind of got that kind of cane feel to it. But when I was sectioning my hair after I did my wash and go, I thought may as well just leave it in these sections and try it this way instead. So I'm not entirely sure how it's going to work. Now usually with hair paint wax and all the reviews that I have seen on YouTube, they say to not do on dry hair, that you just put some product underneath it first before you actually put the wax on. Because this is a DIY, I don't know if I really do need to add any product underneath, but I think what I'll just do is just add some water to my hair before adding the wax and see how it goes. I'm actually low-key excited. At the same time a little bit nervous because it could go horribly wrong, but you know, I'm not going out tomorrow, so it's not really gonna matter, or today for that matter. Let's just put a disclaimer out there. It's just looking like a bit weird. So yeah. Okay, because see guys, this is why I do not do gel on my hair. Do you see this? So I think the ones I'm going to use obviously is the white, and then I don't know whether to use the true red or the deep red. It depends on how it looks and how it comes off on my hair. So let me show you how the comb goes real quickly. Oh, I don't like the way my edge is looking. It's looking like I didn't brush them out. Should I just use this to brush it out and just comb it out? I don't know, it's looking very like separated, like somebody who did not do their hair. I'm actually, anyways, this is what, but that's what came out of my hair as a result. So I don't, should I put cream first? So it looks like. I'm not entirely sure if that has done anything to my hair, like at all. I mean, it's lightly tinted it, but I don't think it's done much. My fingertips are definitely more tinted. Can you guys see? There's a little bit of red. Let me just kind of put, so this is the true red, this is the deep red. I don't know if it's really showing much of a difference. I don't think it is. Anyways, let's try it and see. So this is what it looks like on my fingers. Oh dear. I don't think it's doing anything to my hair, you know. I generally do not feel like it has coloured my hair one bit. I mean, there's a bit of a tint, but not a lot of a tint. I was really rooting for this, you know. I really was. I think I'm going to have to revise, because when she did it, I mean, then again, she did put a lot of this in her hair, but when she did it, it actually did. Then again, her hair is actually not that, what's the word? This one's a lot softer. It's not so dark. She has thingy on her head, but I mean, at least my hair is soft. I'm just going to, I don't think I'm going to do, I don't know. What if I learned? I just don't know. I just don't know. Let me just kind of cover my hair a second. Just to kind of end the video. Anyways, so what have we learned, guys? I'm gonna try a different kind of pigment to make it more pigmented, so that it can actually do something on my hair. I don't know the ratio that she did. I thought I did, but I don't. But I think because obviously she's jumbo crayons, so I think next time I'm going to try using jumbo crayons and see if that's going to make it any better. But yes, that is everything, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys, I mean, I don't know if you guys kind of knew this was coming, if you guys saw that, yeah, this isn't gonna work out the way you think it is, mate. I mean, yeah, I'm a bit disappointed, but that's just kind of how it goes, you know. We've gotta show some of this disappointment sometime. But I'm definitely gonna try the actual proper store-bought one eventually, when I actually can be bothered to go and buy it, pay for it. But yes, guys, that's everything. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for making it this far. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.